Hi, so today I wanted to do a quick review for this really nice eye mop. Just got it out of the box, used it downstairs, and it's been really nice, super easy to use. So I just wanted to show you kind of how to use it. So it comes in 3 parts right here. They just screw on. So if you need to, for storage space, if you want to store it in a smaller location, you can just unscrew these and it really breaks down really nice. Everything out of the box comes pre-assembled, which is really nice. You get 2 mop pads here, so nice kind of soft cloth, not the big long strings or anything like that. And they just Velcro on, so they stay on nice and tight and they're really easy to switch off. So to use this, if you can see in here, there's just a little max line. So you just put water in there. I only have water. You can obviously put cleaner or anything like that if you want a scent or extra detergent, anything like that. So you fill the water to that line. You unclip this lock, which is also how you adjust the height. I'll show you that too. This just fits right in here. And then with that, you just push down and you can see it spin. The manual says to do this at least 12 times, so just to get it nice and wet. That's good enough right now. And then when you're done, you can adjust the height, whatever height you need, and then just lock this into place and it pops right out. Now your mop is clean and got water on it. So let me just kind of show you without the mop in there what's actually going on here and why this is so cool. Is when you're pushing it down, you're turning this. See if I get it to go fast enough to do it. So you can see the water coming out of those holes there. That's what's happening, is when you push that down, it's bringing water up. You're scrubbing with this brush. Really cool design, really easy to use. So let me actually use it on the floor. All right, so just put the mop in there, got water on it, glides across the floor. Hopefully you can see it cleaning. Just have to see the light. Really easy to use though. I like how it doesn't get too wet where you're getting a ton of standing water on your floor. That's no good. You don't have to wring it out. It's just as easy as unlocking here, putting in there, and then just pushing down. It's super easy to use. It's a good time saver. You're not gonna have sloppy mess all over your floor. When you're done, there's a handle right here, so it's easy to carry to the next spot or to go dump out. For cleaning, if you turn this and unlock it, this whole middle piece comes out so you can clean everything inside here. It's really handy, really easy to use, and works really well. So I would definitely recommend it.